How to reset the Gmail settings to default. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Gmail settings to the default. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Gmail. After you open your Gmail, make sure you have logged in and signed in with your Google account there. Tap on the very three vertical lines, scroll down up until you see the very option of settings. Just tap on your Gmail that you want to set your default account to. Now scroll down a little bit and you can see on the inbox type which is already default. So if you have just tapped on any priority, inbox state or important first, then just make sure you have tapped in the default option right here. So that's how you can set it to default. Now the notification should also be there. Tap on the very inbox categories and you can choose the inbox categories as you want to. Now scroll a little bit down and tap on the very default reply action. Now you can also set it to the reply or reply to all option. After you do that, it will reply to all as well. So this is how you can check your settings and then change it to the default. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.